use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. There you go. There's a hole. Oh my gosh. That can only mean one thing. They're in here. Well, there's a cube that we keep for the chickens and we put it out as a treat for them. And if you look carefully, there is stuff all over the floor and droppings. Yeah. It's time. These look okay. I think. Oh, there's another one there. Yeah. Okay. Gotta get some chicken wire. Or rabbit wire. And take care of this. He's gotta be in here somewhere. Where is that little knucklehead? Telltale traces of the little knuckleheads. Oh, there you go. There's a little, as he chewed through the screen. Now, I put the screen up originally to keep things like wasps out, and I think that's going to work fine. I didn't count on little dudes gnawing away to get in. Alrighty, so there are a couple of options for this, and this time through I think I'm going to let you decide what comes first. So take a look down here. So the options are simple. Hardware cloth, which is basically 1/2-inch wire that I'm going to put up over those screens. I've got to replace the insect screen as well, so that way I'll keep the insects and the rats out. Now, do I do that first and then set some traps around the exterior so the next time they come by I can eliminate the rat? Or, actually there's 2 rats and I'm kind of waiting for an opportunity for you to see them. Or do I do it the opposite way? Do I put these guys in first, whack them on their little heads, knowing now that they're empty, and then go ahead and put the hardware cloth up there? So up in the I guess not the end card, but the drop down, whatever, what do they call that thing? The little eye that's going to come up here. It'll drop down. You select one or the other. And then I guess at the end card, I'll also have a couple of options. I'll have 1 or 2. You decide.